Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. Using before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, which I've just put a bit of black paint around and left that centrepiece. And I want to do a ring pour, and I've got some really bright colours. Did I mix that? Let me look. Not with that do one. Okay, yes I did. Actually it's a bit thick, not as thick as probably too thin now. So I've got a teal that I mixed myself, a red, this gold, which is pretty good, and I have black and white. So I want to do, I might do a couple of little ringies, and I'll start with black. I think I don't have a lot of black here, but then there's black on the outside, so, and white, some teal, and some more white. So this should be pretty. I'm hoping it will be anyway. And some black. Oops, there goes that bottle. Luckily they're plastic. And a bit more teal. There's no silicone in any of these colours. You'll find the names of the colours and the recipes underneath the video on what is it, Show More. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come and join us there, and I might have enough paint in here. Right, so yep, I might just walk it around. That gold does look nice. Okay. Stand up please. Okay, let's see what we have. Get over this canvassy piece. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell beside that word and you'll be notified then as I put videos up. And oh yes, this one's come up pretty. There we go. There, I think I will just bring it down a little bit. Wow, how cool is that? Sometimes it just happens. Get that bit there. Okay, so I'll just wipe my hands off and then give it a little torch because I can see air bubbles and they're not good. sticky paint. Okay, so where is it? There it is. Okay, that looks good. Oh, I really like this one. That is really, really pretty. Okay, I'll bring you down to have a closer look. That's it. I think the way you're looking at it now, it's at its prettiest, but I'll bring you around and show you what I was looking at. As you can see, very interesting. The gold is spectacular, and it goes so well with that teal and red. Unbelievably pretty. And I love that bit. That's really cool. Yes, this is a nice painting, which is why I'm not going to mess with it, or you go too far and I end up and I mess them up. This one's not going to be like that. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed. Please give this one the thumbs up. It's really, really pretty, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.